It's a typical house window, really. It's got an outer square frame, and then there are two rectangular windows inside the frame. The window on the left has a handle halfway up in the middle, and the right-hand side has a small window at the top with a handle.
2. It's quite a simple design. It looks like one tube, but in fact there are two cylindrical tubes, an outer one and an inner one. They're both decorated with stripes. The inner one is longer and thinner than the outer one, so that when you stand it on its end, it looks like a telescope. 3.
I'm going to get some new glasses, and I really like these. The frame's made of metal, and it's quite thin. You can see a darker edge at the top of the lenses, but the sides and the bottom have no frame at all. They're good, I think, because I have quite small facial features. Also, the lenses are oval, which suits the shape of my face.